Mr. Trump, you have 2 minutes. How do you heal the divide? How specifically are you going to tell American manufacturers that you have to come back?